Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can color calibrate your laptop screen. So it's actually very simple. First you have to open up your search or start menu and you need to type in Calibrate color display. Okay, right over here you just need to open this setting up. So right over here on laptop you should see this exact settings, and you need to just press on next and you can just set up basic coloring. And right over here you'll see gamma too low, gamma good, gamma too high, and what you can do just press next. And right over here you can set up your gamma however you'd like, and you can also skip set up your brightness and contrast. If you want to skip it, just do it. It just depends on preferences. If your screen is too dull, you can higher the brightness. If it's too bright, you can lower the brightness. It just depends. Right over here, as you can see, it explains it. So if you're seeing any problem like this, you can just calibrate it like this, and it's just showing the perfect examples of your contrast and whatever off screen. So you can choose the settings and you can do it, and you could just color calibrate your screen, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, for even better accuracy, make sure your screen brightness is set to comfortable level and perform the calibration in normal lighting conditions. And that's it. Your laptop display should now show more accurate and balanced colors. If this guide helped you, please like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye and peace.